Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we'll continue where we left off to check out the features of Amazon EC2 Image Builder. Well, first feature would be it increases the productivity and reduce operations for building compliant and up-to-date images. Image Builder reduces the amount of work involved in creating and managing images at scale by automating your build pipelines. You can automate your builds by providing your build execution schedule preference. Automation reduces the operational cost of maintaining your software with the latest operating system patches. Secondly, it increases service uptime. Image Builder allows you to test your images before deployment with both AWS provided and customized tests. AWS will distribute your image only if all of the configured tests have succeeded. And third would be it raise the security bar for deployments. Image Builder allows you to create images that removes unnecessary exposure to component security vulnerabilities. You can apply AWS security settings to create secure out-of-the-box images that meet industry and internal security criteria. Image Builder also provides collections of settings for companies in regulated industries. You can use these settings to help you quickly and easily build compliant images for STIG standards. Fourth, centralized enforcement and lineage tracking using built-in integration with AWS organizations. Image Builder enables you to enforce policies that restrict accounts to run instances only from approved AMIs. So these were the features of the AWS Elastic Compute Image Builder. We'll cover about the basic terminologies in the next video. And before I let you go, I want, have not if you're not aware as of now, I hope you are aware of the thing that I'm going to talk about, because you must be reading the descriptions of the video on YouTube. On Facebook, I cannot add big descriptions, but I'll try to add them from now. Let me show you my course platform on which you can enroll into different courses to help you get more information about the cloud computing. So this is discusscloudcomputing.teachable.com. I mentioned the link of this in all of my videos descriptions on YouTube. So if you will go here, you will see the list of all the featured courses. It includes all the paid and free courses that I have made so far. The latest courses that I've added is the AZ203 Developing Solutions for Microsoft Azure, and it is free. You can enroll in the course which is Build an FAQ chatbot with Azure Bot Service in Q&A Maker, Google Cloud Platform. If you will click on it, you can see the content that I have uploaded as of now. I will add more content regarding it is the compute. I will add more about storage, the web applications, APIs, so on and so forth regarding the Google Cloud Platform. And if you will go back, you can enroll in the course which is deploy.node.js app on AWS. You can check out all the things mentioned here. It is only a 4-part series. You can Azure Web Apps, Azure App Service. We'll scroll down. It is the course curriculum. So if you at this page, you have to click on this button to see more. And it is the deployment. It is still the deployment part that I've covered. I'll create more videos on this as well. DevOps courses are free. Azure automation. This course is complete. You can go and check the onboarding how to part. You can check the authentication and security, runbooks, hybrid, state configuration, manage shared resources, scenarios, troubleshoot. It is regarding all the Azure automation. So I hope you guys will log on to discusscloudcomputing.teachable.com and we'll check out all my courses. They come with 30 days money back guarantee. If you're not happy or if you want your money back, you can just log in. When you will sign up, you can log in with your ID and ask for a refund through this platform. And with no questions asked, we will refund you the money in first 30 days. If it would exceed the 30 days, we will not be able to refund the money. So I hope this session was useful for you, and you will stop by and check discusscloudcomputing.teachable.com. And if you have any more suggestions, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.